Hello, dear. Hello, everyone. This is Eat Good TV coming to you from Jamaica. I'm visiting Jamaica for 1 week, and this is the breakfast my cousin made me. Make callaloo, carrot, saltfish, plantain, yam, dasheen. My cousin is here laughing. And banana. And what else is rich? Oh, this is potato and sweet. Oh, and Irish potato. Oh, me can't even see out here. You can't even see. And there are some beautiful, beautiful homes here. Look at those homes. That's an apartment building. Beautiful apartment building. I'm gonna walk around in a little bit. Beautiful, beautiful apartment building. And beautiful homes in Mandeville. This is Mandeville. Mandeville, Manchester. Yeah, so this is Margaret from Eat Good TV. Bring you a little footage of Mandeville. They have beautiful home. That white building over there is an apartment building. Very beautiful. And I'm gonna have my callaloo and my saltfish breakfast. That's what they have for Sunday morning here. They like callaloo and they so for Sunday morning or ackee and saltfish. Yeah, they have beautiful homes, beautiful homes. I'm gonna go get closer to them later on. Beautiful, beautiful homes here in Mandeville. All beautiful homes in Mandeville. But I'm gonna drive around and take some videos of these beautiful homes. And it's very cool in Mandeville. You have to wear a sweater sometimes. Very cool. Not a jacket, but you have to wear a sweater. Beautiful here. And I'm gonna have my breakfast before the dog have it for me. I'm walking around. I'm outside having my breakfast in this cool, cool Mandeville. I was trying to go live, but it didn't work. So I'm gonna just record this. I might can go live later on out the town. Hello everyone, I'm visiting Jamaica again. I'm back in Jamaica for a few days, so I'll be able to show you around. I want to show you the market and I want to go to the party place. I want to visit a lot of places. I'm happy I'm down here again in Jamaica. My cousin just made me breakfast and this is saltfish and callaloo and he put some carrot in it. Plantain, boiled banana, sweet potato, and dasheen. So I'm gonna eat some now. This is so good. Delicious, delicious, delicious. Wow. Really nice. My cousin Richie didn't want to come on camera. It is delicious. And hope you all are doing well. And happy holidays. It's so good. It's so good, people. I'm slapping my mouth. This Jamaica food tastes different from the one in New York, I'm telling you. So good. All the saltfish different. Especially my store, only once in a while it carry the old-fashioned saltfish, codfish, saltfish. In my supermarket have just the boneless, but this one have bone. And it's very, very good. Very good. I tell you, this is the food on my yard, they're good. Oh my goodness. So good, so different. Everything fresh. Everything so fresh and nice. Coconut oil in the color look. So good, people. And I'm in Mandeville. Mandeville is in the parish of Manchester. Mandeville? Manchester, yeah, Manchester. Mandeville is in the parish of Manchester. But I'm from St. Elizabeth. Balaclava, St. Elizabeth, not far from Mandeville. But we mostly go to Santa Cruz, just our little town in Balaclava is like Santa Cruz. People come to Mandeville, but a lot of people go to Santa Cruz too. And that's St. Elizabeth. But I'm spending a few days here. And then I try and see if I can get some callaloo, because I don't have callaloo and saltfish on my channel yet. Because I always want the one that you do from scratch. And to have the one that is in the tin. In New York, we get the ones that in the tin. We get tin ackee, we get everything in the tin there. Tin ackee. Especially where I live in the city. In the city, we just get like tin ackee. But sometime in Bronx, Queens, Brooklyn, you'll get the ones without the tin. Not the ackee, but the callaloo. But I live in the city, so in the city, we just get the ones in the tin, in the supermarket. Yeah, but this food is delicious. When I live in Jamaica, every Sunday morning is either callaloo or ackee or saltfish. But they always make we have good Sunday breakfast and good Sunday dinner. If you don't get dinner during the week, you're gonna get a good Sunday dinner. Sometimes you get fish. Then you get rice and peas and fish with the carrot juice. Carrot juice with condensed milk. They put some people put nutriment in it. Some people put supplement, all kind of stuff in it. They make it nice and strong. That's like a strong back for their husband. My wife enjoy it too. And my uncle is asking me, who am I talking to? My uncle is 91-year-old. He's asking, who you talking to? Now he's 91 asking, who you talking to? 91 and still going strong. I'll be back with recipes soon. I am just visiting my 91-year-old uncle for a week, so I'll be back soon with more recipes. Bye. Love you guys. Wish you all the best.